Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to enable or disable two-factor authentication on Ubisoft Connect. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Ubisoft of course application. If you don't know how to do it, we have a separate video on our channel how you can actually go and do that. Then you just need to go and of course register to Ubisoft and log into your account. Now let's see what we have in front of us. So as you can see, here we have the home, library, store, and Ubisoft Plus. The download manager in the bottom left corner, and in the top right corner, we have to subscribe to Ubisoft. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and enable or disable two-factor authentication on Ubisoft Connect. So firstly, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select account management. So we have it here, and we have account management, as you can see. Now you need to click on the security tab. So we have the second tab, which is the security tab, as you can see, and locate the two-factor authentication and select click of course activate. Select your preferred method, email, SMS, or mobile app, and follow the instructions to complete the setup process, of course. Then when you want to disable it, click on your profile icon again, go to account management again, go again to security, again locate it, and then just click deactivate. Follow the instructions to confirm and complete the activation process. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.